never, in our air miles, Air Canada air miles, there was nothing. Can't get very far with those. How many times?
And you're limited to when you can go, and
Are
you
you?
can't do a seat sale, and you can't do this.
Yeah, 'cause
you can't fly on this day, and you can't fly on that day.
Is that what he found out after we told him to check it out? So he said, I got 19,000. But he needs 55,000 to go free. Probably more.
You happy, Ryan?
Careful, don't want to go too.
Well, I think if you're going to take it somewhere else, you're going to start all over again. And keep on bugging them. I was tempted. I had no this one. I couldn't even went and saw them.
Then you run off with it. And then you drop it, Ryan.
Where'd it go? Oh, listen. Hold it. Start again. Go.
Good kick, Rye.
Yeah, he kicks a long kick, too. Cleveland would be amazed with him. Ready? Oh,
Good kick, Emma.
Come and get it. Come and get it. Oh.
Whoa!
Did they play?
Hi, Brady. Okay, you go ahead. Okay, thanks for telling us. Watch your toes. Rye.
Careful. Oh, rough and rough.
You guys are supposed to kick it. No tackles. Kick it. This isn't football.
Football. You don't tackle each other.
Don't push him, Emma.
Ready?
Good kick.
Ooh, there goes. Oh, green ball got it. Green ball turn. Green ball ready?
When am I gonna get it?
In a minute. Okay. Ready? Kick it here. Oh.
Oh!
No.
Boy, that's sure a lot of sand there, right?
Yeah.
I like that.
And we're playing in the field. And then you got lots of sand in the field.
That's the mixer.
Yeah. We're getting all the garbage, so the garbage monster can swim in it.
That's right.
He loves garbage.
Yeah. Here comes Grady.
I didn't never had that. I didn't never had that
What are you guys doing? Yummy. What kind of cake? Blueberry cake.
No, yeah, this is where it gets such a bad sugar. Is that all the garbage? Yeah, it's all the garbage. Is this all the good sugar that...
Brady, where are you?
You're sifting it, are you?
Sorry, I hurt the screen. If I open the door and I hurt the screen, I mean...
Okay, so then you put this on top and you say, Happy birthday to you, and then this, and you can put fire on it and you can eat it.
Oh my, that sounds lovely.
Eat it.
Are we going to taste this, Reese?
Brady, what are you doing?
And you put me in it.
Here.
You get a tractor?
Are you grading the road? You fixing the road?
Start pouring it. Sugar.
Oh, good boy. Fix the wheels.
I can't do it.
Oh, yeah.
You did it.
I can't do it. Did you know you were outside?
Are we outside?
Are we?
You are outside.
Are you sure?
Think so that you were outside?
I thought we were
Awesome.
in your restaurant.
Outside. Ah! Ah! Pretty close, stop, okay?
lost your car.
He just ate. Come on.
Braga's just busy playing away. Filling his cup.